Naimbahinga Aldao yo amin dito yanan. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat dito sa Hilagang Luzon. I can see it now. Exciting music performances, delicious American foods, information about visas and how to study in the United States. And the best part, it's free and open to you and your families. We're going to bring the best of America right here to you in Baguio. Please join me and my other colleagues from the U.S. Embassy in our special program called America in 3D. We'll be right here at SM City Baguio from July 8th to July 10th. I'm excited to return to Baguio to celebrate U.S. Independence Day and U.S. Philippines Friendship Day with you. This city has had such a special role in shaping the friendship of our countries over the past 100 years. To receive updates about America in 3D in Baguio, please join our community at facebook.com/manila.usembassy. Agkita-kits tayo no July 8th, Inganati July 10th.